Today's Monday, it's a brand new week, and we're full of energy, aren't we, Paul?
We are ready to rock and roll.
We're ready to rock and roll. Just to give you guys a quick update, we finished all the wall sections, and we've done one bedroom right there, and now we started working on the second bedroom right here. And just to update you with what comes next, so once we're doing that, we're gonna finish that today. We're gonna start on the roof, finish the roof, and then we still have the upper parts where there's still gonna be 2 windows for each bedroom upstairs. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comment sections or just message us, write to us, and we'll do our best to answer them in regards to this build, or just generally if you want to build your own house or whatnot, then yeah, feel free to contact us. If you don't have the time to build your own house, then just write to us and we can build it for you. And you will get the same sort of updates what you're watching now with your own house. Okay, so now we're on to cutting the pieces for the roof, and as you can see, we need to cut them at a certain angle. We've got all the angles there. Yeah, so what we do, we draw first onto our wood pieces the exact angles, and then Paul is gonna perform the magic, set the saw blade to the exact position, because every piece needs to be exact. All right, so we'll show you guys what we did here. So we assembled all the roof pieces, and what we did, we used screws to tie them together, and these metal plates on each side of the joint, and they're gonna stay together, fixed. And now it's on to fixing them on the roof. Okay, so here we are with the roof already done. We stayed last night a little bit later because we just wanted to get it done. Paul is doing the final touches now on it, and it's taking shape slowly, looking good so far. Both of the bedrooms are also done. We just need to do the inner wall that separates the bathroom from the rest of the house. And I'll just show you real quickly how the roof is done. Okay, so I just got up the ladder real quick to just show you. So we used, for each roof piece, we used these massive screws. They're 8 by 160, and we also used these metal plates on each side, and we've got the metal plates up there, and everything should be pretty tight. here we have our sheep wool with which we're about to start to insulate our tiny house. And this is really, yeah, come take a close up. This is really like eco-friendly and healthy to insulate your house with. And
it's pretty thick as well.
It's pretty, well, this is 10 centimeter thick. You can get it also in 5, but 10 is pretty much the standard. And yeah, it's really great, man. It's, well, I mean, this was treated, you know, so it doesn't, I mean, if you do want to really, if you really go close, you can smell a little bit of sheep there, but it was like washed and treated to be used as insulation. Yeah.
Basically, our tiny house is natural, 100% natural, organic. We got very natural wood and healthy wood, healthy insulation. Everything that we use is as best as we can, toxic free. Yeah,
of course. I mean, our motto really is we would build your house the same way that we will build the house for ourselves, you know?
Yep.
So that's the thing. Like, I wouldn't, if this house would have been mine, I wouldn't have done anything different to it, you know?
100%.
So I think that's the best way to look at it from our perspective, at least, to try and do the best job possible.
So we build it as we would live in it.
Exactly. So this is our first milestone, let's say, which we've reached. Our structure is basically all done now, apart from the inner wall, which separates the bathroom. Our next step would be to insulate the floor. Then we're gonna put the aluminium folia on top of it, just to seal it from any moist that might come from the inside of the house. And then we're gonna come with our wood boards and seal everything off. Then we're gonna have a flat surface on which to work on. And then we can start on the inner wall for the bathroom. And once we've done that, then we can start on all of the walls.